I think they said we're going possibly to the beach, so it'll be nice. I mean, it's a pretty good day for that. Feels really good out, so. Oh my goodness, look at that tire, boy. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but that tire got, like, it's struggling for its life, man.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Man, Will is funny, bro. Will is funny. Oh, so nice out today. Oh man, I think we're going to that real curvy road. They're gonna lose me on this one, man. For sure, for sure, for sure. I try, but it is really hard to actually get a corner pretty good and on the stretch, man. But we try. Is it a bull? Wow, that guy should really have some cones showing that he's on the side of the road. Maybe he wants no one. They're all just looking at the cop. Yo. I don't know what are. Oh my god. Cop just wants to go on a cruise with us, man. That's all he wants to do. That's all he wants to do, man. Somebody got pulled over. Yo, who got pulled over?
I don't know. I seen that. It was Will.
It was Will?
Yeah. For real?
No way.
For what? I heard no plate. Who got pulled?
Will's got a plate though, no?
Oh, that's what I heard. What's his name? Angel called me with R7. He said we were street racing. He goes, "You got street racing on here?" I was like, "No, sir."
So we figured out who got pulled over, and it's this felon right here. So Buddy's back, and we're good. These are all the bikes we got out here. Couple of leaders in the front. That slow bike. Got all the other cool bikes. Where's he at? Did he hear me? No, he didn't hear me. He's over here. Got a pretty good turnout today. Just doing a little chill ride. Nothing crazy. Got the factory, RSV4 factory. This thing is stupid loud. This Stunt R7. Should I build a Stunt R7? That thing's crazy, man. He's got to get the rest powder coated. That way it all matches. That thing's going to be insane. I think that's what he's doing next, is powder coating the whole thing.
I didn't buy an affiliate. It was a fucking Christmas gift, alright?
Are you?
Huh?
You gonna powder coat the cage?
Well, I'm honestly planning on taking this off, maybe.
Oh, you gonna take it off?
The only reason I kinda got this one is because it matched the helmet that I already own. And
Oh yeah, that's that KYT.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That thing's clean, bro.
I'm looking getting about to get a custom-made Shoei.
Well, there you go. That's the way. That's the way to do it, man. Hell yeah, dude. How do you like the R7?
Honestly.
Alright, so we're going back out again. Where we're going, I don't know, but I guess we're gonna figure it out. So tell me how these guys had to stop for a freaking vape, man. These guys are wild. I was like wondering why we stopped here, man. These guys freaking came for a vape. A vape, man. Come on, we here to ride. We don't need no vape. How you gonna hit a vape on the bike? Well, alright. I can see how you can do it. It's not that hard. But come on, man, we here to ride. What are we doing? What are we doing? Doing the loop-de-loo. I love the little beamer pops. Just one bop, one bop, one bop. This is a scary hill. Oh no, this isn't stretch bike friendly. I gotta do my coolant flush here pretty soon. I need to get I'm gonna do the swap to engine ice, because so it can run a little cooler, and then hopefully once I decide on my tuner, right, like who I want to get tuned by, then they can lower my fan temps and everything like that within the tune. So hopefully the bike overall will run a lot cooler, be smoother and everything like that, and you know, most importantly, make more goddamn power. But yeah, that all comes with it. So I just got to do more research and really just figure out who I want to be tuned by. That's what I need to figure it out. I know that I want to get dyno tuned, that for sure. But I do have a couple of options. You know, being that I want to build a bike for roll racing, but I know eventually I'll probably go back to stock wheelbase. So I want to have a good overall tune. I don't want something that's just going to be pure, like, it rides terrible, but it rides amazing in a roll race. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want something that's going to be good overall, you know? But I'm sure any tuner would do that. I just got to figure out which one I want to go to. I think it's just preference at that point, you know? All the tunes are pretty good for the BMW, so there's not many you can even go with, so fair. Alright, YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video. Heading home. I appreciate all you guys for watching. It was a really fun ride out tonight. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, share, interact in some way, shape, or form. And until next time, bye.